if you are tired of waiting months for Outlier or international AI jobs, this video is for you. I know the frustration of being on a wait list while you need to pay bills today. So today I'm reviewing Freebyz, a Nigerian platform that claims to offer remote jobs and micro tasks that pay in Naira with zero experience required. I have even seen emails from the CEO, Dr. Farumbi Samuel, about the 50,000 Naira weekly bonus and 7,000 Naira reward for content creators like me. So guys, is it legit? Is it worth your 3,000 Naira verification fee? Or is it just another waste of time? Let's dive into the dashboard and see the truth. So guys, welcome back to Logic Income Academy. And of course, guys, this is freebiz.com, and simply create an account right here. So once you click on sign up to create an account, so we can simply go to it together. So right here, you want to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. You want to select your country, your password. You want to confirm your password. How did you hear about freebiz.com? And you want to enter the referral code right there. And after that, you want to click on agree and sign up. So I'll simply pause this video and create an account. All right, so guys, I've created my own account, as you can see right here. So now you can simply get full-time remote jobs. But guys, what is Freebiz right here? So Freebiz is a digital marketplace for micro jobs. So you want to think of it like a local Fiverr, but instead of complex coding, you get paid for simple things like liking YouTube videos, following Instagram accounts, downloading apps, and testing new websites. So guys, this website they have been around since 2022 and are a registered company in Nigeria. So for my audience at Logic Income Academy, this is a side also, right? It is what you do to earn data money and daily cash while we continue building high level AI skills for those 500k monthly jobs. All right. So now you want to click on get full-time remote jobs right there, or you want to click on start making money from micro jobs. So if you're interested in micro jobs, you want to click on that, and if you're interested in full-time in remote jobs, you want to click on this. All right, but you need to set up a profile to get hired for remote job, and right here. All right, and now you want to click on apply to actually check out the remote jobs right here. So right here they have loads of remote jobs right there, mainly for people in Nigeria. So now we have a remote job at Catholic. You can see for city manager at Mass Drive right here. This one was posted 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, as you can see right here. So guys, you just want to keep coming here. So this is majorly for Nigerians, all right? So you can simply come here and search for this right there. If you want full-time, part-time, contract, internship, gig, you can simply come here. If you want all tiers right here, maybe you want free, premium, and I'll be explaining everything, all right? So make sure you stick with me right at the end of this video. So by location right here, you want to click on it. If you want something remote, you want to click on it and apply filters, all right? So now let's quickly check out the micro jobs. So right here we have micro jobs. So if you want micro jobs, once you click on start any. All right, so now this we have the micro jobs right here. So now for the micro jobs, you can simply get access to this just like Sprout Gigs, so where you complete tasks and get paid. So right here we have take a quick phone survey and earn 1,000 naira. So if you can complete this, as you can see, out of 676 workers, we have 364 completed. So now, and you're going to earn 1,000 naira right here. And this right here, you just want to like, comment, and retweet on X, and you're going to earn 30 naira. All right, out of 300 people, you have 131 completed. And this another one, you want to sign up on circuit, and you get paid 30 naira. All right, according to what we have right here. So now, like I said, guys, this company have been around since 2022. So now for you to actually get started, if you want to register, I will leave the link in the description and also the comment section. So you see the dashboard, you can sign up for free. So to see the high paying jobs, all right, you need to unlock the verified status, which you're going to pay 3,000 naira, all right, to see the verified to see the high paying jobs, all right. You need to pay 3,000 naira. So why the fee? All right, why the fee? Now you pay this fee to prevent bots and fake accounts from stealing jobs from real Nigerians. All right. So once you are verified, you can see jobs paying 200 naira, 500 naira per tax. All right, and you can withdraw your money every Friday directly to your Nigeria bank account or even in USDT. All right. So right here they also have referral bonus. All right. So you get paid 1,000 naira for every person who refer uh and also verifies their account. All right. So when you refer them and they verify their accounts, you're going to earn 1,000 naira. All right. So this is it, guys. Exciting news. Referral bonus is now 1,000 naira for NGN users. So you can also now earn up to 2% on each withdrawal your referrals make. So withdrawal bonus, invite more friends to earn referral bonus and withdrawal bonus only on Freebyz. All right. So if you have a WhatsApp status, a TikTok, or a YouTube channel like this, you can easily make 10,000 naira a day just by sharing your link. All right. Plus they have this 50,000 naira weekly giveaway. So if you are the top referral for the week with at least 50 signs up, you can get an extra 50,000 naira credited to your account. That is pure profit from just sharing an opportunity. So before I give you my own verdict, so guys, you can also come to jobs right here, available jobs. You can come to available jobs, my jobs, completed jobs, disputed jobs right there. All right. So if you want to hire, you want to come to hire skilled worker and so on. Now, is Freebyz worth it? If you need immediate naira and have zero experience, yes, it is a legit register platform, but don't expect to become a millionaire just by liking photos and use it as you want to use this as a stepping stone. So for my fellow creators, if you make a video like this, Freebiz actually pays a 7,000 naira bonus just for the review. I'm testing that out today and I will update you guys in the comments if they pay. And if you're ready to start earning today, click the first link in the description or the comment section and get verified. And let's start making this money together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Logic Income Academy for more remote job updates in 2026.